everyone, thank you all so much for tuning in for part 2 of our weekend at the karting track of Francorchamps. If you're new to the channel and love what you see, please subscribe and like as we got new videos weekly and would help us out in so many ways. This second part of our weekend trip will be more focused on the races and might give you a better idea of the performance of the Sur-ron alongside two-stroke high-end setups. Notice we woke up with just 75% of the battery charged, so the bike already delivers a little bit less power. To scale it out even more, I went into the configuration and changed the modes from 5 gears to 9 gears and started testing out the best mode to avoid overheating while still keeping it in the power range to compete with the other bikes on track. Let's see how that goes. So I've been driving mode 5, 6 and 7, it's definitely not overheating anymore, but I'm losing precious battery life, so I'm wondering how long this could last. I've watched this slideshow over 30 times now and still can't figure out why. Why am I so slow in the corners? And why doesn't this bike have a kill switch? That shit is dangerous. So I finished the race without killing anyone. I did throw my bike at someone, but it might have been karma for the last time. He looked a bit like that guy. Whoever that was, I'm sorry. We'll try to implement the kill switch in the near future. I think they officially call this the Walk of Shame. It wasn't the best weekend for me, but it was a great weekend for the Sur-ron and ABMX. Although the control dropped power a bit after overheating, we were able to avoid this and still keep performing well on a straight line. So I'm gonna garage the Sur-ron till next weekend's scooter and sprint meeting. Stay tuned for that and jump into other gloves to watch my boy Tommy destroy the track with his high-end chalk.
Burning down this place with funky so fine. Ain't no other space when you're part of this tribe. Oh, we gotta get something. I got to get down, get down, get down, get down. Oh, yeah. It's time to get down, time to be free. Release yourself, let your spirit be. It's time to get down, time to
this lovely sunset we decided to retreat to the RV to eventually try and get home next afternoon. With a bit of guidance, my co-pilot managed to get us out of there before anyone even noticed. My heart goes out to the family and friends of Guido Engelen, who became unwell whilst visiting his grandchildren at Francorchamps and unfortunately passed away afterwards. My sincere condolences.
Hey, wat doe je nu?
Sorry.
Waarom zie je mijn glas?
Ja, nee, ik kan het zien uit je dingen niet.
Mieke! Jammer.
If you liked this video, please subscribe and like, join us on Facebook for updates, meetings or more giveaways, and check out our older videos if you're there. Thank you for watching, hope to read you in the comment section. Stay safe, bye bye.